Hello, my name is Shibin, CEO, Raintech Software Limited. We are basically providing retail billing softwares. There is a lot of billing software is there. For example, supermarket, groceries, hypermarkets, as well as restaurants, medical shops. So many of software we are developing and we are distributing all over India. And this is our sales, service, production team all over here. We started our business in 2016. We are basically located in Kerala, Kottayam. And we was not like this. We developed gradually one by one. We started from a 100 square feet office space. I will show you that also and our current situation, our current awards, everything I will show you one by one. Please watch. Come, we will show you one space. This space is less than 100 square feet. Here we started our business in 2016. Here, see, from here I was making all this video promotions and all. Now we are keeping this room for my wife is running a business. She is taking this room. She keeping all her cosmetics items and all keeping over here, and it is shipping in Amazon. We started a business in early 2016 as an Amazon business, and I converted to software industry, and my wife, she is still doing Amazon businesses. And this is the room. Really, I love it from my heart. In our journey, we got a lot of awards from state ministers, center ministers, and all, central government ministers, and all. This is the first award I got from Rajiv sir in 2020, I think, 21. Yes, 2021. Again, 2022, we got again awards from Rajiv sir for the Trusted Billing Software Brand Award. Again, here our Roshi Against sir and Hybrid sir is there. See, this is the awards. And this is the Rotary Club Awards. There is Adani Group director is there. A lot of people are there. And again, we got an award from Trusted Billing Software Brand from Bombay. This is Lara Datta Miss Universe 2000 here. And again, there is Ravi Krishnan ji is there. He is an actor as well as he is an MP of Garatpur, Maharashtra. And again, here is our great award. You can see over here. This is a central ministry person. He is the minister actually from Sri Narendra Modi government. So this is Sri John Birla sir. John Birla sir is the minority minister from in the central ministry. And here the last award we received from Sri Prasad sir, Ministry of Agriculture. This is the award which we received from, and here is all our awards and recognitions we received basically. We have more than 50 plus employees on board in our office. Plus we have 200 plus channel partners all over India as well as abroad. We not only provide software, we are providing all the hardwares, the accessories, all the setup for the POS devices, the billing software system. We are providing each and everything, and we are giving dedicated customer care service for our customers. This is our primary important customer care service. Currently, we have around 42,000 customers all over India plus abroad as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.